So today we're going to talk about flood engineering
and Rockwell automation. This is by Caleb Faulkner and Paul Najmon for the group project for MET 284 Industrial Controls.
Flood engineering is located in Flowery Branch, Georgia, and this is their official address if after you hear all this you want to talk to them. So some of the history on flood engineering. In 25 years they have not changed much on their actual products. In fact, they have changed less than 1% of their overall products. They are data network and communication systems experts. They do power distributions and motor controls, distribution controls, and SCADA systems, wastewater treatment plant electrical and control system designs, pump station electrical and control system designs, portable water filtration plant electrical and control systems designs. So this is basically everything I just said, just with pictures. The data networking and communications is in the top left, so this would be like a main computer for a company. Power distribution and motor control is top center. That would be like backup generators and how to power stuff on a company. Distribution control and SCADA system design. I think that is more about a like distribution center where they do barcodes and figure where things need to go. Wastewater treatment plant electrical and control systems designs in the bottom left. That's how the water gets filtered from your house to go back into your tap water. Pump stations and electrical control systems designed to be within the water treatment plant to pump the water to your house. Portable water filtration plant electrical control systems design is in the bottom right. This looks like it's just how they store the clean water and dirty water and filter it and get it ready to go back to the tap. So for the PLC portion of the use SCADA, which is a system for remote monitoring and controls that operate with coded signals over communication channels. On the right hand side, this is a layout for what looks to be a hydraulic or water system with two PLCs that go to a SCADA PLC program, which relays stuff to a computer and tells pumps what to do in order to make sure that they do not produce too much pressure, too much flow, etc., etc.
All right, moving on to Allen Bradley by Rockwell Automation. They are located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. A little bit of history on Rockwell Automation. In 1903, Lynn Bradley and Dr. Stanton Allen formed the compression rheostat company with an initial investment of $1,000. 1920, the Bradley Stat, a rheostat for use in automobile dashboards and radios, is first offered. 1923, the octagon logo becomes Allen Bradley company trademark. 1985 was a big year for Rockwell Automation. Allen Bradley sets a new fiscal record with sales of $1 billion. Allen Bradley purchases Electronics Corporation of America and acquires the PhotoSwitch line of photoelectric sensors. Rockwell International purchases Allen Bradley, the North American leader in the industrial automation equipment market, for $1.651 billion, marking the largest acquisition in Wisconsin's history. February 20th, 1985. 1993, the company introduces Ethernet and TCP/IP connectivity in its Allen Bradley PLCs. 2003, the Allen Bradley brand celebrates its 100th anniversary. 2004, Rockwell Automation and Intel Corporation begin working together to expand the use of Intel's new high-performance network processor technology in industrial automation applications. Currently, Allen Bradley continues to be a leader in PLC technology. There are three different sizes and classes of PLCs produced by Rockwell Automation through Allen Bradley. Large control systems, small control systems, micro and nano control systems. They are generally categorized by the number of input-output ports that systems have available. The large control systems can be up in the thousands of ports. Small control systems are typically around 200 to 600. and micro to nano are usually under 100 input-output ports. Some of the customers that Allen Bradley sells to and supplies for are Cummins, Honda, Toyota, Woodmiser, Hillrom, and hundreds of other companies worldwide.
So moving into some of the company comparisons, programming language, Flood Engineering uses the SCADA system as mentioned, and Rockwell Automation is going to use Allen Bradley stuff that they've come up with. The differences in the language is SCADA is a broader technology that can be used along with the Allen Bradley's PLCs, and even sometimes used to control the Allen Bradley systems.
Applications of the company's products. Flood Engineering, as we mentioned earlier, is commonly used in sanitation treatment systems and hydro controls for moving water or controlling the flow of water into different tanks or through different piping. Allen Bradley is heavily involved in automotive manufacturing, industrial controllers, and automated assembly lines.